exposing the natural power in your kitchen to fight flu and fever. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Drinking warm water keeps you hydrated and soothes your throat. Next up, green tea. Packed with antioxidants, it's a great way to calm that nasty cough. And don't forget the classic chicken soup or broth. It's not just comfort food, it boosts your immune system and keeps you nourished. Remember, the flu usually takes about 2 to 3 days to recover. But if things get tough, always check in with your healthcare provider. Stay cozy, stay hydrated, and feel better soon. See you next time.